Are you looking for happiness in the chaos of life? Today, we're revealing 10 transformative tips to unlock a joyful existence. First up, gratitude journaling. Begin each day by writing down 3 things for which you are grateful. This simple practice refocuses your mind on the positives, shifting away from the negatives that often cloud our perception. Next, engage in mindful moments. Dedicate a few minutes each day to mindfulness. By focusing on your breathing and your current surroundings, you allow yourself to live in the present, away from past regrets or future anxieties. Third, connect with loved ones. Invest time in nurturing your relationships. Share a laugh, a story, or a meal with friends and family. These shared experiences create a sense of belonging and joy. Fourth, explore active hobbies. Find activities that move your body and spark your joy. It could be dancing, hiking, or playing a sport. The key is to make it enjoyable and rejuvenating. Fifth, learn something new. Challenge your mind by picking up a new hobby or skill. This not only stimulates your intellect but also adds a dash of excitement and accomplishment to your life. Sixth, help others. Engage in acts of kindness. Whether you volunteer or simply lend a helping hand, these actions boost serotonin levels, creating a win-win situation for everyone involved. Seventh, limit social media. While it's important to stay connected, too much time spent scrolling can lead to comparison and negativity. Establish boundaries for a healthier balance between your online and offline life. Eighth, explore gardening. Plant a seed, nurture it, watch it grow. This process not only beautifies your surroundings but also instills a sense of accomplishment and tranquility. Ninth, set realistic goals. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate each milestone along the way. This keeps your motivation high and your progress steady. Finally, prioritize self-care. Pay attention to your mental and physical well-being. A good night's sleep, a balanced diet, and adequate rest can significantly influence your mood and overall happiness. So there you have it, 10 transformative tips to unlock your happiness. Remember, happiness isn't a destination, it's a journey. By embracing these practices, you're setting yourself on a path to a more fulfilling and joyful life. Cheers to a happier you.